Hey guys, how you doing? Once again, this is Chris, aka El Tati, right here with my little nephew. So he's gonna help me with the little unboxing here. So remember I told you guys about the AR build. So first time in my life ever building an AR. Um, don't know what I'm doing. Well, I do, but I don't. I did a lot of research after 2-3 weeks, almost a month of research. I kind of know what I'm doing. So right here we actually bought the complete upper intake from David Defense. So I'll show you guys right here. I actually got it purple, anodized purple. So hopefully it's a pretty good receiver. So it's 214.99 cents. I got it assembled and pre-fire. So pretty much I tried it out. Just so you guys know, the shipping was pretty quick. It actually took about 2 weeks to get here. I was pretty surprised because they did try to fire it, and they only do that on Tuesdays. So I'm pretty sure they got it the first Tuesday, and it was out for delivery. This is what it comes with. Comes with the muzzle brake, the rail, the barrel. This is right here. So let's see what we have here. Hopefully it's a good one here. Hopefully you guys like the video. Please subscribe. I'm gonna have more videos. I got a bunch of other parts I have the stocked already. I have Spiral Dynamic stocks. I'm still waiting for my lower. My lower should be ready to go next Tuesday. So hopefully next Tuesday is ready. So Bryson, hold the phone right there. Do not move it. All right. So see, I haven't seen it. Nobody has seen it. So let's check it out. We'll help a little Bryson right here, my little nephew. He's excited to see what's in here. Are you excited, Bryson? Yeah. He just has no idea what we're looking at. Let's see what he has to say about it too. So it actually came better than I thought. So here we go. It's packaged. Pretty good packaging in here, so it won't get. I don't think it'll get damaged because of what it's made of. But let's check it out. I really like the color. Exactly the color that I was looking to get. I thought it was gonna be a different color, you know. On the pictures, they do not show the color that I get, so I was kind of a little skeptical about how the color was gonna turn out. How to be. Let me see what this is. This is just the package right here. Yeah, so I'm a little excited here. Hopefully I get this done by next week. I'll be putting it together. I'll follow up with you guys on that on the build as well. To show you guys. Sorry about the video. It's not gonna be high quality and all that good stuff. You know, it's not gonna be well edited either. It's gonna go up there. The better we get at it, the more edits we're gonna do to the videos and stuff like that. So you guys get a little better quality. You might start recording with a better camera and stuff like that. Should be recording from the phone, so it's not gonna be that good. And one other thing too. My mom doesn't know I'm getting this, so she doesn't freak out when she sees it. I'm gonna try now to show it to her. She doesn't know, you know. But man, they wrapped this in good. So here it is. So it's actually better than I thought. What do you think, Bryson? Yeah. What do you think about it? So here's the bullets. Like I said, I got it pre-fired. So they have the 3 bullets right here. They were fired. So it works. Should work, right? Yeah, like I said, the color. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video, but man, that color is beautiful. So you guys see it. So that's the actual color of it. On the picture on the website, it looks nothing like this. It actually matches other stuff that I got. It came out exactly the same color. So I'll be uploading videos about those stuffs as well. See, sorry about that. This one right here does not come with the one thing to know. It does not come with the bolt carrier, which I already bought as well. I do have it. I bought a Aero Precision one. And then comes with the muzzle brake, 16 inches long. So I'm trying to keep it California compliant. Let me get a little close up here. Feels pretty good, man. Quality is pretty good. What do you think about the color, Bryson? Huh? Oh, when you're begging to get one too? You guys heard that, so must be pretty nice. Watch out. You're going to cut yourself. So it doesn't come with the bolt carrier, which I had to buy. I didn't know. Like I said, I was new to buying all this stuff, so I didn't know nothing about them. So I didn't know what a bolt carrier was. I didn't know what anything was, to be honest. So that's why I decided to go with this one. It actually looks pretty good. So it's a little dirty in there, so for sure they fired something on there. They're not just telling me they did, you know. So we'll see next time. See what it is. But here it is, you guys, so you guys can see it one more time. Beautiful color. Highly recommended, man. It's gonna be the Barney rifle. So keep up, man. Just subscribe. Keep looking at my videos. We'll have more contents. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, what you guys want me to review. If you guys want me to do specific things and stuff like that, man, let me know, man. I'm new to this. I really want to get into this, so hopefully you guys can help me out and grow my channel. Thank you.